Hi guys, I am Sharvil from Tech Wizard, and today I am making this video about the unboxing of Google's one of the most best products, that is the Google Home Mini. Yeah, it's true. So let's start. So guys, as I give you in the description, this video is about the unboxing of Google Home Mini. Yeah, Google Home Mini. So, before unboxing it, I will give you some information about this product. Well, this product comes in three different colors. That is the chalk white, which is this one. Second is the charcoal, and the third is the coral. Well, the coral color is very difficult to get. It's one of the most rarest colors in this guy. The most you can find, I think so, is charcoal. Well, white is really one of the most rarest one. Well, the rarest is coral, but after that is the white. I chose white because it suits my room. Yeah. Well, Google Home Mini is supposed to be for just a room or a small real apartment. If you want something for your whole house or just some very big room, you could like to have a Google Home, which is for $129. Well, I bought this guy for $49. Yeah, $49. Right now, it is having a fight with Amazon Echo Dot. Yeah, Amazon Echo Dot. Well, you cannot find this product on Amazon. You need to either go to some store like Target or Walmart and buy it, or you can buy it online from the Google store, Target.com or Walmart.com. So, I've given the information. So let's start unboxing it. Okay. Well, safety first. Chop chop. So here it goes. Yay. I can't believe I'm opening this. And here it goes. So here on this side, which is on the, I think so, the Google Home Mini's right side, you can see that what all things this guy can connect to. Okay, so for opening it, you at the downside of this box, you can see a strap. Right. So just pull it off, and here it is. Oops, that was messed up. The Google Home Mini. Wow! Wow! This is really cool. This thing has, you can see, a thing that it will not move easily. Suction cups, you can say. So this is the point where you connect it to some place. Yeah, it's the USB port that most of the Android phones use. So yeah, I have a Moto G4 Plus. I can connect the port to this one, and probably it may work. So here it is, the mute button. If it is like this, it's not mute. If it is like this, it is mute. So I'll keep it on mute right now. So here, here it goes. Well, this is a manual for it, Yeah, it's really small somehow. Yeah, I would like to open slowly and steady. Yeah, it's really annoying. Mm. And finally it's off. Okay, we've got 3 pamphlets and 3 books. I'm not gonna read it right now. Leave it. So the next thing, as you can see, is the charging port. Yeah. See, here it is. Yeah, it's. You can see the USB. It's exactly like I said that most of the Android phones have. So this guy goes in here. Yeah. And it's connected. Top top. Chop chop. Okay. So let's see what does it have more inside. Okay, or does it even have something? Nope, we are done with unboxing. So guys, this video has 2 parts. The first, that is unboxing, and the second, that is to sync it with its Google app. That is the Google Home. Well, that app is available on both App Store and the Play Store. So make sure you have it downloaded because. So now, here we are with the Google Home Mini. So right now I'm about to connect. Uh-oh. Sorry guys, it's really tough with holding a camera in your hand and just a minute. So now here it is, it has started. So when it starts, it shows some it's light start. That means it has started. So while this thing starts, oh wow, that's some good music. Okay.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So now it has said that. So let's move on to the Google Home app. So it looks like this. I have an Android phone. So yeah, this is in Moto.
The mic's off.
Yeah, I just muted this thing. So okay. Welcome home, your content and device all in one place. Get started. Oops. No looking, no looking. So I selected the account and well, yes, you need to give it, yeah, allow. Oh. Sorry, the phone was troubling for something. Okay. So now it is looking for my device. Yeah, so Google Home Mini found. Would you like to set up as a device? Yes. And it is connected to that thing. Okay, it's connected. Yep. I'm sorry.
The mic's back on.
Yeah, we just did hear this. Well, it's going to be in my bedroom, so let's like bedroom. I'm not looking. Well, how it is okay. Oops, it's okay. It will fix a typo. Yeah. Shovels. Sherwell's room. Oh, no. Sorry guys, just a minute. Well, it's It's now connected to the Wi-Fi. It's some private stuff I cannot show you guys. Wait, try again. That's kind of weird. So the Wi-Fi problem is done. Next, okay. Yeah. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. This actually looks cool. Yeah, it's gonna take a time. So now this is the thing. I'm done with my. Okay. So after I'm done with all the stuff, this is the thing that it comes. Welcome home. So, hey Google. Hey Google. What is my name?
Your name is awesome.
See, that's what she calls me. So guys, thanks for watching. I would be probably posting a Thanksgiving special video. I don't know about that yet. So, see you soon. Bye. This is Tech Wizard signing off.